It's down. Woo! So today in this little short video, it's only probably a minute or two long, I guess. I was going to show you the little ghillie suit that Michael made. You can see here, it's made up of all individual strands, tied onto some, if you can see in here, some netting, which is then glued onto a jumper. So that's it. Got the hood and a pair of pants that goes with it as well. Yeah, that's it. So obviously I don't really blend into my environment in here, but you can just imagine me being out in the bush with it on a tree. And yeah, so this is, like I said, just a quick, gotta fix my hair. It's just a quick video to show you the suit, and just a bit of a funny one. We might do some videos later with these suits, but we're in the process of getting another one made up, so we both got one and we can play hide and seek and see if we can find each other and just have fun. So I hope you like this video. So I'll roll the intro.